welcome back to Video Wizard. Today is a very quick way showing you how to fade in audio in Premiere Pro, okay? So I have this video here. Let's just show you how it sounds. So pretty instant, sound comes in just like that, okay? Now if you want to fade it in, what you want to do is pretty much just add an effect to it. So effects will be in the top right or in the bottom left here. If it's not there, window, effects, make sure that's ticked. You want to head into audio transitions, okay? And you're going to have one option, and that's crossfade, okay? All three of these are going to fade your sound in. They're all a little bit different. I won't go into that here, but literally just drag one, apply it to your video, and let's see how different that sounds. See, kind of faded in rather than instantly being there. Play around with these three, find out which one sounds best for your video, and yeah, just leave it applied. And that is literally it. Thank you very much for watching and have a great rest of your day.